Buildium Property Management Software Tutorial for Beginners. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to set up and use Buildium, a powerful property management software for landlords, property managers, and real estate investors. To get started, you're going to go onto Buildium.com. From there, you can tap on Free Trial, then you'll put in your email information to sign up. Once you have signed up, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on your dashboard, I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to select Rentals. Then from there, you can tap on Properties and you can add in your first property. So you can tap on Add Property. Then from there, you can select the property type. So you can select whether it is a condo, multifamily, industrial, or so on. You can select whichever one of these options. Then you are going to put in the property address. After you have put in the property address, from there you can add in the city and the state, as you can see right there. So let me do that real quick for example's sake. And then you'll see the option who is the property owner. You can add a property owner right here. From here, you can put the operating account. So you can tap right there. Whether it is company checking or company saving, you can do that. And you can also choose the deposit trust account. So you can select it right there. After you have done that, you can put in the property reserve right here. So let's say $1,000. After doing that, if you have a manager for this property, you can add them right there. Then you're just going to tap on Create Property. After you have created your first property, what I want you to do next is go over to the left-hand column once more, and you're going to tap on Rentals. Then you're going to tap on Tenants. After tapping on Tenants, from here, you have a few options. You can tap on Add Lease. And then from there, you can create a new lease for a tenant, as you can see right here. So you could create a new lease, and to view their sample lease, we could do that. So we could tap on Tenants and you could see a sample lease right here. So it has the person's contact information, as you can see right there. And then it will have the amount that they have deposited for the rent, as you can see there. So you can set it up just like this. Another thing that you can use this platform for is screening tenants and managing leases. To do this, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to select Leases. After you have selected Leases, you can tap on Applicants. Then from there, you can see Run Tenant Screening. So you could create an applicant right here. After you have created the applicant, you can tap on Run Tenant Screening. Then from there, you can select the property, select the unit, and you can select all of the information and you can add in the tenant name right here. Then after doing that, you're going to tap on Review Order. So you'll be able to enter the tenant details and run a credit and background check and review reports and approve or decline the application. Also, if we were to go over to the left-hand menu option, from here you can use their accounting features. So you could select Accounting. Then from there, you can tap on Banking and you can enter in your banking information by tapping on Add Bank Account. And you'll also be able to monitor your bank reports from this section also. So you'll be able to monitor your bank balance and all of those information. You'll also be able to set budgets. So you could tap on Add Budget and you'll be able to monitor your budget from this section. And when it comes onto maintenance, you can also use this platform to schedule property inspections and so on. So you can select maintenance from the left-hand menu option. Then from there, you could tap on property inspections and you could sign up. And you can also use it to add tasks. So you could tap on tasks from the left-hand menu option. And then from there, you can set up recurring tasks by tapping on recurring tasks. You could tap on add recurring tasks in the top right-hand corner. And you can add recurring tasks or you can add one-time tasks, as you can see right there. You can also use this platform for communication. So you could select communication and then from there you can use either their via text message option or email option. You can also set up automated emails to improve your communication with your tenants and so on. So there are numerous options that you have when it comes onto Buildium. And if we were to go over to the left-hand menu option and tap on Add-on Services, after tapping on Add-on Services, you can see different services that you can quickly integrate with this platform. You have the e-signature option with Dropbox sign, which is added. If you would like to add property inspections, you can do that. You can also add showing coordinator and Buildium property insurance and so much more, as you can see right there. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative on how to set up and use Buildium for managing properties, rent, handling maintenance, and automating accounting. Thanks for watching.